Okay, so we got the final sanding to do. Front bumper, rear bumper, and spoiler. That's pretty much almost done. I think Elliot sorted that out. I could finish that. Got a cookie for a quick snack. I'm a fish. Yeah, man. Got the wackiest style when I'm at the house, eh? Fucking Crocs, man. They're good to wear after a long hard shift.
Is this still available? Can you do the post office pay? Can I rip you off? Can I scam you? No, thanks.
I forgot how much I hate bloody sanding. Yeah, so for the last fucking 45 minutes, I've been sanding hardcore, right? It's not really been doing anything. I'm like, huh? 120 grit, bro. Alright, so yesterday my camera cut out, but I finished the front and back bumper. It's got about 30% left, and now I'm driving to my mate's where his family are letting me use his garage, so hopefully things go good. I don't get any paint on the floor or anything. But we've got a whole dome, and I'm here with Gazman.
What's that?
He's been doing really good, helping me with like the small nifty parts and snapping off screws. Cheers, bud. Nah, they were all fucked anyway. Yeah, wet dry, and helping me with the windows when I had paint on there. That was pretty good with the scraper. So yeah, I don't know what I'd do without them two boys helping me with it. I'll probably still be doing it by now. But yeah, anyway, off to my mates, and we're hitting the road. Getting high off them petty fumes, bar. We're on my mate's farm.
I'm taking the shit.
He's got big ass rope. We've got this long ass plastic. We're gonna make a roof, and then putting a wall up, and then close the door. Everything's already been done, so cheers for that. If we get that, I just need to sand the rest of this bumper, which is that one and that one. So I'll get to that. I probably won't record that. I'll try and save my battery for when we're actual sanding. Not sanding, when we're actual painting. But yeah, I love it here. It's got like quad bikes and stuff. Oh, I really want to have it going. Anyway, this car's got to get done. So yeah, 3/4 is already done. Just need to sand it, wet, prime it. I think that takes like 40 minutes to dry. So once I've painted it, I'll let that dry in there. We'll get the blow vac, blow all the shit out, make it all not contaminated, take all the lights out, and yeah, get started. Oh yeah, we gotta cover up all the windows. Anyway, peace.
Can you attach to it?
What do you mean? No.
Where's first?
Just oh, okay. Okay, the door was open. Bye, car. So yeah, but wait, hold on. If he's washing it,
And it's gonna drop back in the dust.
that's what I'm saying. Oh, he's turning it around. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. What the f?
So even if over there, I'm gonna drop it back. He's dickhead.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Anyway, yeah, we three sanders on that. That circle one. That circle one works wonders. Mine's fucking just amazing. It just cuts through it. That one's good when you're doing like flat surfaces and stuff, but getting the cracks and stuff like that, it's hard. It's good on shit like this. But yeah, that's the rear bumper done, like proper done on the outside. But inside I don't really care about. But yeah, I'm gonna get a new front bumper. Yeah, front bumper soon. Alright, so Jackson sprayed it with a pressure hose, got rid of all the shit off it. So we're just gonna dry it. Most of it's ready. It's already smooth. And then yeah, we're gonna get to spraying it. Holy shit, finally after ages. Damn.
5 P's. Prior preparation prevents piss poor performance.
It's still gonna turn shit, I reckon.
See all those blemishes, eh? Dirty.
Oh, bro, you gotta proper get into it, eh?
Still dirty, man.
Yeah. Gangster.
Don't get it on the light, because yeah. Man, even take the fucking bumper off and spray it separate anyway, you fucking. Woo, mechanicals. Yeah. Get in there. Let's have a.
Just drapes, bro.
I don't think his car's a bit fucking dirty, mate. Look at that. That was clean. Yeah. Mum's gonna fucking hate me. That was white. You're in trouble.
Oh yeah, found it. Hello Philip, how are you, mate? Yeah, not bad, mate. Just been shanking dogs, eh?
Yeah, that's wet. Fuck, over here's fine.
I'm gonna have to use something else on this. Eh?
Wow, brother, look at that, eh? Fuck you, screw. Yeah. No.
Yeah, I was pulling it up. Yeah, fucking. There's the grill, mate.
Almost broke it.
No, I didn't.
No. Look at that. That's some fucking murky water. Looks like you might need to go fucking change the water fluid. Into the dark again you go.
It's fucking scary around here, bro. Roof rack's off, so it's one nice smooth paint, but I think they're just gonna have to stay on them. We'll have to spray around them, unfortunately. Yeah, the headliner. Well, I do. What's that? It's like... Nah, you gotta rip the whole roof liner off, bro.
It should be very simple. It's just all I gotta do is just
I can't be fucked. Nah. Yeah, nah, fuck it. We'll just send it. Oh yeah, yeah, it's easier, mate. Just lift it and that. Nah, not in our case. Don't have the patience and don't even know where to start with that one. Alright, I guess it's gonna be a little bit bodgy. Look at me, guys, in the opposite side of the road. Oh, fifth's a bit choppy.